So viewers, in this video we will discuss on topic Introduction to Graphics. Here are the contents: Introduction to Graphics, Types of Graphics, Raster versus Vector, Applications of Graphics, Available software for graphics, Graphics versus Animation, and Multimedia versus Animation.
Introduction to graphics. So, what is graphics? The word graphics refers to any visual representation of data which includes a variety of forms, including drawing, photographs, line art, graphs, diagrams, numbers, symbols, geometric designs, maps, and engineering drawings. Graphics may be images only or may also include text, and they can be used for decorative or functional purposes, including educating, informing, illustrating, or entertaining people. When applied to computers, the term graphics is commonly refers to 2D digital images that are displayed, stored, created, or edited on a computer. So, we can say that computer graphics refers to a technology that generates images on a computer screen. Types of computer graphics. There are two types of computer graphics: raster and vector. Raster graphics, also known as bitmaps. Raster graphics are composed of individual colored pixels, each of which contributes to the whole image. If you have ever opened an image and zoomed all the way to find it becomes a mess of blurry squares, that means you are looking at a raster image. Second one is vector graphics. Vector graphics use path made from a mathematical formula. This formula, also known as vectors, which tells the path, its shape, color, and if there is one, its border. This is because as a vector images is scaled up, the mathematical equation recalculates, presenting the image as a crisp, clear, short but bigger. Because of this, vector images are great for things such as logos, simple product artwork, and illustrations, but not for detailed painting or photo editing. Here are some pictures of vector and raster images. When to use raster or vector? For clear images, use raster images, but for the scalable designs like logos, use vector graphics. Then, what are the pros and cons of raster versus vector? Advantages of raster image. Number 1, raster image provide much more detail. Number 2, raster image provide the most of the color. Then what are the disadvantages of raster images? Raster images are blurry when enlarged. Number 2, raster images can be large file sizes. Then what are the advantages of vector images? Vector images are scalable. Number 2, vector images have smaller file sizes. Number 3, vector images are editable. Then what are the disadvantages of vector images? Number 1, vector images have limited detail. Number 2, vector images use limited effects. Applications of computer graphics. Number 1, computer art. You can use it for cartoon drawings, painting, logos, etc. Number 2, computer aided drawings. You can use it for designing of buildings, automobiles, aircraft, etc. Number 3, presentation graphics. You can use it for summarizing the financial, statistical, or scientific or economical data for research reports. Number 4, entertainment. Computer graphics find a major part of its utility in the movies. Number 5, education. Computer generated models are extremely useful for teaching. Number 6, training. Specialized system for training like simulators can be used. Number 7, visualization. The need of visualization can be seen in many advanced technologies. Data visualization help in finding insight of the data. Number 8, image processing. Various kind of photographs or images requires editing in order to be used in different places. Number 9, machine drawing. Computer graphics is very frequently used for designing, modifying and creating of various parts of machine. Number 10, graphical user interface. It is the connection between human and a computer screen through the pictures, images, icons, pop-up menus, etc. Here are some available software for the graphics in which Blender and Pixlr are free sources. Then what is the difference between graphics and animation? A graphic or graphical image is a digital representation of non-text information such as drawing, chart or photos, while as animation is a displaying a series of still images in a sequence. Then what is the difference between multimedia and animation? Multimedia is multiple forms of digital media such as videos, images, audios and texts, while animations refers to a type of multimedia that provides the viewers with an illusion of pictures moving in a sequential manner. Multimedia is an integration collection of various types of media, while animation is a type of multimedia that is very interactive. Then multimedia can be used in web designing, graphics designing, presentations, movies, podcasts and many more. Animation can be used in web designing, app development, film production and many more. Multimedia isn't usually hand drawn except digital art, while animation are primarily hand drawn, but stop motions are also a type of animation and they are not hand drawn.